Hello, today I want to install Scott steering stabilizer on my Honda CRF 450 RL, and this bike already a little bit prepared for rally competition training, and we can see that I have currently my fuel tank. Replace it by IMS tank with a high capacity, and it's still waiting for some small test gasoline leaks, and I just put it and waiting for a couple hours to look at that. Then I will read this manual and trying to install first parts. Oh, something dropping. I already disassembled this upper mount for my front shocks, yeah, and this wheel bracket mount. In first step I should replace the small rubber dampers, and I will show why. I just think about if I have a time, I want to spend a couple minutes to disassemble this sealant, and I can clean it because I ran it couple years not maintain this part, yeah, and I just want to clean from the dust and from the dirt and maybe replace lubrication in this part. I cannot say that it's so much dirty, but I think it will be good to replace this lubrication. I haven't so much lights, but it's a little bit dirty, and I will clean. And then I want to send this flow to appropriate place, and we can see this half this hole, and it can be placed here. Yeah, it's something like locker. It's a locker I just put in and connected to the upper bridge in horizontal position, and be careful to avoid any spacing. Okay, and then I hit a little bit by my rubber hammer to set it in place. Yeah, and I want to be sure that it's aligned normally before I start tightening this just one bolt. Also in the mounting kit we have this steering rubber with washers, and you know, this aluminum or I don't know. Put off from the upper bridge this OEM rubbers and replace this rubbers from the installation kit, and yeah, put and just hit it by a hammer. And also, yeah, we can compare this diameter, and I think it prevents this rotation radius and avoid to stuck between this top flow. Upper bridge is ready for installation. Don't worry about this hole. I just, in my setup, I removed ignition mechanics, and I don't need this locker. I just move it to another place because I have a rally bearing, and then no need to tighten this part before lining your steering wheel, and then just put it. In my case it's already replaced from standard 122mm to Rintal twin wall 28, and also I choose, when I just made this order, 28 solid bracket. And sure, don't forget to tighten your middle bolt on the upper bridge before installation. Okay, looks pretty much good in this place. Then put this pin in the mount flow. And ready to install main body of stabilizer. I just wanna find these nuts. Also, this kit contains just different diameter stuck in this place, yeah, and you can turn, so please replace for the one. And also they give me a little bit more balls, extend required set, so this small one I need to put into the body of the stabilizer, but this four, I think I can use it, yeah, to replace standard one, but I have the same. I just leave it with my old nuts and no need to replace. I just put it to the box. Maybe it can be like a fuse. In the final part of installation, I decide to investigate another one, small manual, and find that we should be assured that alignment centered against my central mounted, yeah, and it looks like it's correct place. And another one, how to set up this tower pin, and I can see that there is a wrong position, and if I connect my link arm to the tower pin, I need to align it in the middle size. In my case, I can't do that currently. If I just place it, and yeah, we can see that just stuck to the upper point. Yeah, we can move this small ring up and down to find the better position. This black ring. I know it's really hard to move it by my fingers. I'm trying to do it with some tool. Okay, I find the easiest way. How can I do that? I just revert position and put into the flow hole, yeah, and then hit lightly from this corner. It's shifted. Let's try to install and measure. Not enough. I think I need maybe 4 millimeters more. After the main stabilizer body installation, when it tightened and aligned, I have found that I can align a little bit more, yeah. Okay. Yep. So it's the best position, like in small manual. And then I will try to turn back my wheel, and let's see, it's not enough space to keep this my stabilizer. Sorry, I need my another arm. Okay, not so much space, but it's okay. I have access to this configuration joints, and I can turn these knobs. I don't know what I should to set up currently, but unfortunately, what about the topper on this crossbar? I can see that not enough space for my crossbar. Maybe if I just trying to put it to the driver's side, yeah, like here. But again, not sure about the space, but a little bit later I will try to put it back.